Go to the File menu and open the YNP project from the Recent Projects list. This is the project we created in the last tutorial. Return the main camera to its default view position and open the plan camera in the right view. Save the project as YNP CM. In the database editor, you'll notice we have the YNP 100M enabled. Remember, that's the one we created for higher elevation viewpoints. The 10-meter DEMs are disabled. We're looking at terrain near the western border of Yellowstone National Park, just east of the town of West Yellowstone, Montana. We're going to import a corrected color satellite image of the Yellowstone area. The image will be draped over the terrain as a color map. Go to the Land Cover Task Mode, double-click Color Maps to create a new component. Rename it Landsat. We'll use the Image Object drop-down list to add the satellite photo, but first let's copy the image to a convenient location on your hard drive. Open the File Explorer of choice to the VNS3 DVD image folder. Also find the YNP project folder in your WCS projects. Copy the YNP Landsat TIFF from the DVD to your YNP projects folder. The VNS project will remember where this file was loaded from when we add it to the project. If we load it from DVD, VNS will try to find it there every time the project is opened. Copying it to the project folder keeps it with the project. Back in the VNS Color Map Editor, expand the Image Object drop-down list and add New Image Object. Navigate to your YNP project folder and find the YNP Landsat TIFF. The image is a georeferenced TIFF or GeoTIFF with a coordinate system different than the one we're currently using. Make it the new default coordinate system. After an image is imported, its thumbnail normally appears in the thumbnail window. For larger images handled by the Image Manager, a checkerboard stand-in image appears. Double-click the thumbnail to open the Image Object Library. Enable Load Fast and Apply to All. In the Current Application section, you'll see that the image is associated with the UTM-12 WGS-84 coordinate system and Landsat color map. The georeference page shows the coordinate system and bounds. This page also has tools for georeferencing an image that isn't already georeferenced. With set bounds in a view, you can click opposite corners on the terrain where you want to place the image. Shift bounds in a view is very handy for making adjustments, something even georeferenced images need sometimes. Snap to selected DEMs is great when working with USGS Digital Orthophoto Quadrangles, or DOQs, and USGS Digital Raster Graphics, or DRGs. The Image Manager is automatically added by VNS when it senses the need. It tiles the image at render time, allowing you to use very large images that would normally be unrenderable because of their memory requirements. Read more about it in the Interactive Reference Manual. For now, close the library. Real-time views show the active Landsat color map highlighted. You can zoom back in the plan view and see the color map bounds. Return to the default position when you're done. Let's add the Landsat color map as a real-time view overlay. Open the Plan View, View Preferences, and go to the Overlay Gradient page. Check Ecosystem Map. When VNS is finished, the Plan View will refresh with the overlay. Repeat the process for the main view. If you select the main view title bar, the view preferences will switch to the main view. You're still on the Overlay Gradient page, and you can check Ecosystem Map. There will be less delay generating the image because it's already in memory. Image detail is a function of terrain resolution. Higher resolution terrain will show more detail in the overlay. The color map is getting in the way of our real-time views, so let's hide it. Go back to the View Preferences, Land Cover Water page, Real-Time column, and deselect Color Maps. Switch to the Plan View, same place, Real-Time, no color maps. Render a main camera preview. All that's left is to create a camera path to fly us across a terrain.